What's up, everybody? Welcome back to basically today is the last day with my Stampede being so slow. And guys, this thing is really slow, like full throttle, nowhere. Stay right here. Look at that, full throttle, very slow. Got a lot of skills, I give it that. It's like, all right, basically if I hit full throttle all the way, it's on two wheel. Maybe the battery's dying. I didn't do it this time. Let me try it again. See? And then it's overturned. Alright, but like I was saying, guys, basically today is the last day of my Stampede being this slow. I'm actually waiting for the new VXL 3S LiPo battery system to come in the mail today. I can't wait. I'm like so anxious for this thing to get here. I'm so like pumped right now. Can't wait. And I'm about to change the system first. Maybe no, actually I'm gonna change the I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do first. But there's a lot of upgrades to come for this bad boy right here. As y'all know, this is my favorite little car. This is my baby right there. I love this beast so bad. Like, this is my first RC car ever. My first RC car ever. And you know, if you guys notice, there's a lot of different parts on there. Let's bring it in for a second, take a look at some of the upgrade I did so far. First, new controller. As y'all know, this is not the original controller for this baby right here. I also could put like a whole bunch of different RC cars, boats or whatever, doesn't matter, you name it, I can do it with that with that controller. As y'all notice, I sprayed the rims recently. I didn't like the chrome rims no more, so I had to change it. I'm spraying the shocks. I changed the shocks because I had an incident like around first time when I got it, like way back then. First time I got it, I didn't know it was that fast, and you guys see all the runs now. And at first, when I first got it, it was fast. To me, it was really fast because, you know, like I said, this is my first RC car, and ooh, that baby was running fast. 30 miles per hour, yeah, I think that was too fast for an RC car. But you know, years passed by and I got used to driving it, you know, 30 miles per hour, so to the point where I want to upgrade. I got the Rustler, but then, you know, this is like my project car. Changed the shocks, I changed the wheelie bar. At least I got a wheelie bar. I didn't have a wheelie bar, so I got one. You guys notice I changed the wheels on the wheelie bar because the wheelie thing wasn't working out with those skinny wheels. Changed the front bumper because that incident I had to change the whole right side right here. I mean left side right here, my bad, left side. I had to change everything right here because everything broke. So as y'all could see, I did a little bit of upgrade, a little bit of, you know, modification. I lost a little piece, that little bar right here, so I had to use one of those drone FPV Jones type strap for the battery type of thing. I put lights on it, you know, a whole bunch of lights and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. I attempt to change a lot more stuff because I want to change these to red, but I'm not sure what color I want. But as y'all can see, I have a few parts that say RPM. I'm trying to, you know, keep everything RPM. I don't really want the chrome stuff, not the chrome, I mean the aluminum stuff, because, you know, we outside and we hitting trees and rocks and the road and all kind of stuff. So it's like every time you hit something with a aluminum, you know, type stuff, it's like leave scratches and dents and marks and the paint scratched off and a whole bunch of stuff. So I try not to, you know, get those. I rather, you know, keep the plastic stuff. But right here, I'm about to change this, but I think I'm probably get here aluminum because there's not really much things get to hit this, so there's nothing gonna really hit it to damage it or anything. Because if you guys notice, it still look brand new, right? I kind of cleaned up a little bit yesterday, so you know that's the reason why it's looking so clean right now. But anyway guys, I'm about to change this. I'm gonna change a lot of stuff, guys, so you guys stay tuned for that. What else I'll be doing? Of course, when I get the VXL motor in the system, I have to change the battery too. No more of these battery. Yeah, I'm actually gonna change the bumper too. I'm gonna get a red bumper, so that's next video coming up with that. There's a lot more to come, so you guys just have to stick around to see, because like I said, this is my baby. This is my project car. It still got a little bit in it, not all that fast or anything, but yeah, we get there. I just feel like I'm pressing the gas forever and it's not really going nowhere. You know, it's like, I don't know if you guys noticed, there's a lot of cars that, you know, pass you day to day, and it's like every time they pass you, it's like they're driving and they're pressing out the gas and everything, and the car is still in front of you, like a whole bunch of noise, and they ain't going nowhere. I hate when I see that. I feel like that right now with my Stampede. So when I look at the Rustler and I see how quick that baby get up, I'm like, no way, this is my baby right here. I have to change that. So today, basically, I'm saying goodbye to being slow. It's a lot of wind, it's about to rain, so you know, it's probably have to wrap this video up pretty soon. But anyway guys, I just want to, you know, come out here and, you know, mess around a little bit and let you guys know this is the last day you're gonna see me pressing out the gas like this, and for it not to already be over there. Crazy. But it still got a little bit of, you know, energy, whatever. Come back here. Where you going? Turn. It's like you didn't want to turn. Ooh, I think I'm being bit by mosquito. I mean, not mosquito, but ants. Yep, I am in the ants nest. Oh god. Oh shit. Guys, whole bunch of ants. Where the hell were they? Oh shit, they're right there. Guys, just like crazy. Oh man. Oh crap, there's still more on me. Get off of me. Stampede, I need your help. Oh my god, they're like everywhere. My golly. I didn't even see them. We gotta stand up over here. Oh, and the reason why we ride in topless is because I have FPV set up on the cover, the body of the car, and being out here bashing like this, even though it's not really bashing because there's no battery, but being out here doing all this crazy stuff is kind of hard to do when the, you know, the antenna for the FPV is so big and it's like hanging off and so heavy, and it kind of made the car flipped over. Oh, did y'all see that wheelie? Oh, I did a wheelie. Oh snap, look at that, another wheelie. Oh, you guys, you can hear that? Rain. The rain is coming down. Look at that. All right, look. First, when I had those small wheelie wheels, I couldn't do this. Like every time I picked up, it would be like, you know, turning over, overturn, whatever. But since I got these, it's like crazy. Watch this. I could actually go a wheelie bar all the way up there. So if I want to do a wheelie bar coming back, I just... Ooh, that wasn't... I hope y'all didn't see that. I think I'm still getting bit by ants. But check this out. Crazy right there. Oh, y'all see that? crazy up out here. Crazy. Oh, trying to run me over. Alright guys, it's getting crazy out here. It's about to start raining. My phone is over there. I don't want it to get wet, so I'm gonna close this video here, guys. Stay tuned, a lot more to come. Actually, it start raining right now, so let's go back inside. But anyway guys, there's a lot more to come, so make sure y'all stick around and subscribe if you already not subscribed. If you guys are not subscribing, like, share, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see in the future, all that type good stuff. Let me know. Again guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends and your family. I'll see you guys in the next video, y'all. Peace.